Hello, I am Precious Swain Peaks, owner of Anointed for Prosperity Bookkeeping and more. And today we're going to talk a little about this new Tax Simplification Act. Yesterday, and a few days before, um, it was introduced and heavily discussed. So far, 147 Senates have agreed that there is a need for a Tax Simplification Act. As most know, both H&R Block and TurboTax pulled out from doing the IRS free file program for various reasons. Now, this would push the IRS to do their own free file system with their own platform and their own software. Let's take a quick look. Okay, a little about tax simplification. So, as we see on Law 360, they have an article up about the Senate bill would create free individual tax e-filing system. The bill was introduced by Senator Elizabeth Warren of Massachusetts, and it will require the U.S. Treasury to put in place a free online individual tax filing system. Notice it's specific to individual. Individual is personal taxes. So people with Schedule Cs would not be able to use this platform. It is strictly for personal taxes. The name of the act is the Tax Filing Simplification Act of 2022. And it's pretty much to keep the Treasury Secretary from going into agreements with the big box companies to provide this service any longer. It would require them to provide it and have it available by February of 2024.
He did exactly what he said he was going to do.
Here is a piece of the actual bill itself. The bill is available at senate.gov. It is 17 pages long, but I just wanted to highlight some key points. The Government Assisted Tax Return Preparation Program. They would want to have the Simplified Tax Benefit Portal for non-filers ready no later than March 1st of 2023, which would allow them to go through that portal and claim any credits that are available to them, even though that they are normally a non-filer. The high point of the portal is that they would not have to enter in anything that the IRS already has on file, just any current information once they get set up in the system. The online tax preparation and filing software, they want to have it ready no later than January 31st of 2024. The software for preparation and filing of individual income tax returns for taxable years beginning after 2022. So 2022 is going to be the normal process, however you normally file will be how you normally file. But for those who normally look to use the IRS free filing because they have a very simple return or really don't need any help, um, by for the year tax year 2023, they're wanting to have this in place to be ready to use January of 2024. Taxpayer data access, they want available not later than March 1st of 2024, a program under which taxpayers may download third-party provided return information and IRS-held information relating to their individual returns. The requirements for online tax preparation and filing software is the software shall satisfy the requirements that are described in this section of the bill, B2, for purposes broken down in subparagraph A, I, and capital I. of such subsection, the preparation and the filing of an individual income tax return for determining the amount of any credit described. So when you're going through, if you decide to read the actual bill, you'll see what the subsections contain. But for the most part, it is designed for the individual preparer, and like any other software, should automatically calculate the credits for them. This can be a big help to those who have simple basic returns, student returns, senior returns, people with that are normally non-filers, people that have one or two W-2s. This may be very beneficial for them, depending on how it's set up. Right now, it's still on the table. It has not actually became a law yet, but it is being highly favored and is expected to be passed. How will this impact tax preparers? This will impact tax preparers that normally draw those who have the simple returns and don't have a lot going on. But for most tax offices, this will not pose a problem because the IRS Free File program has always been in place. They're just replacing the big box providers with their own situation. So this should not conflict with anything that we have going on, but it is always good to be aware of the changes being made and the situations changing. A lot of the times, if I have clients to call and for what they need, my service may be a little high, I would refer them to the free filing program anyway. So now to understand it's important to understand the program so that if you're referring someone to it, they know how it works and what it should do. But I just wanted to take a moment and bring some awareness. Thank you for tuning in. Again, I am Precious Swain Peaks, owner of Anointed for Prosperity, Bookkeeping and More. For more information or for a consultation, please visit anointedforprosperity.com and follow me at precious_Swain on Instagram and Facebook. Have a great day.